Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to send Arbitrum from Binance to Metamask. As you can see, the first step is to come and open up your Binance application over here and make sure to locate your Arbitrum. Then after that, what you want to do is simple. First, come and open up your Metamask. Now on your Metamask, remember you're sending from Binance to Metamask, okay? And you're sending the Arbitrum. So in your Metamask, make sure that you're in the Ethereum main network because the Ethereum main network is the one which supports Arbitrum. So you click on this drop down arrow and make sure you're in the Ethereum main network. So after doing that, what you want to do is simple. You're going to come and click on import tokens over here. Now come and tap on this search tokens and then search for Arbitrum. Okay, you see Arbitrum is over here and its symbol is ARB. And as you can see, it has a Ethereum network over here up, so it's supported by Ethereum. So click on that, then tap on next. Once you tap on next, click on import. And then once you tap on import, the Arbitrum will show up over here. Okay, so what you're going to do is simple. Click on the Arbitrum. Now, after clicking on the Arbitrum, you scroll down and then click on receive. So why are we clicking on receive? Because we want to get the receiving address of Arbitrum. So you click on receive. Okay. All right. Sometimes you have to wait for it to load. Then you click on receive. So once it has finished loading, click on receive. And then after receiving, you just copy the receiving address. Okay. So I think I'll take it back a bit to the home page. Okay. So I said you click on Arbitrum and then you scroll down. Once you click on Arbitrum, click on receive. So once you click on receive, copy this address over here. Then after copying the address, head back to your Binance. So once on your Binance, click on wallet. And now once on your wallet, click on withdraw. Withdraw is over here. Then click on withdraw crypto, the first option. Now search for ARB. Remember, ARB is a symbol for Arbitrum. So click on Arbitrum over there. Then send via crypto network. And now paste this address over here, the one you copied from your Metamask. After pasting it, click on this drop down arrow in networks and then select the Ethereum ERC20 network. And then as you can see, the minimum Arbitrum you can send is 16. So input any amount above 16. So for this case, I'll put 18. And then after that, click on withdraw and you send your Arbitrum from Binance to Metamask. Alright, so guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Until next time, we shall meet once again.